Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 25th August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 25th August in 2011, the government of Sri Lanka announced the removal of the emergency imposed in the country for last nearly 30 years. Since 1971, the parliament was being extended every month in the country. This continued even after the conflict with the rebels ended in 2009. Means it is the longest running emergency in the world, I think so. Now let's see the current affairs part. So the first question is, which state government has recently planned to build ट्रांजिट हाउसेस फॉर माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स? हाल ही में किस राज्य ने प्रवासी श्रमिकों के लिए पारगमन घर बनाने की योजना बनाई है? एंड द आंसर इज Karnataka state government has decided, and the idea of transit houses is inspired by the Kerala government's successful Apna Ghar project, which provides shelter to state migrants. The need for transit house was indicated due to the reverse migration between the COVID-19 lockdowns. Now, moving towards the second question. Recently, Saudi Arabia's state oil company Aramco suspended a deal to build a $10 billion refining and पेट्रोकेमिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स इन विच कंट्री? हाल ही में सऊदी अरेबिया की राज्य तेल कंपनी अरामको ने किस देश में $10 बिलियन की रिफाइनिंग और पेट्रोकेमिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाने के लिए एक सौदे को निलंबित कर दिया है? एंड द आंसर इज विद चाइना. Aramco decided to stop investing in the facility in China's northeastern province of Liaoning due to an uncertain market outlook, the impact of oil price crash, and corona on the project of energy around the world. Now, the third question is, the Sinabung volcano recently released a new eruption of hot ash. So, in which country is the Sinabung volcano located? सिनाबुंग ज्वालामुखी ने हाल ही में गर्म स्थानों का एक नया विस्फोट जारी किया है. सिनाबुंग ज्वालामुखी किस देश में है? एंड द आंसर इज इन इंडोनेशिया. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दैट अ शैलो वोल्केनो इन द वेस्टर्न इंडोनेशिया sparked an avalanche or scorching clouds below its top. The volcano in North Sumatra province was blowing smoke and ash into the air over 1000 meters. Now let's see the fourth question. So, India's longest river रोपवे is built across which river? भारत की सबसे लंबी नदी रोपवे ने किस नदी के पार बनाया है? एंड द आंसर इज ऑन द ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर. And the long pending Guwahati Yatri Ropeway project connecting the northern and southern bank of the Brahmaputra river was formally inaugurated by Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Minister of State for Finance, Health and Family Welfare. So this is the longest in India. Now let's see the last question. So which organizations together release State of Food Security and Nutrition in the World Report? विश्व रिपोर्ट में खाद्य सुरक्षा और पोषण की स्थिति को कौन से संगठन ने मिलकर जारी किया है? So guys, this is an important question from prelims point of view. So the answer is Food and Agriculture Organization means FAO, UNICEF, World Health Organization, World Food Program and IFAD. And let me tell you that it is a unified report. So these are the questions from the current affairs of today. Now let's see the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, Bhadbut project 1.7 kilometer causeway cum weir barrage is to be made across which river? So the answer is across the Narmada river this project to be implemented. And the second question was, under which ministry does Nai Udan scheme comes? So the answer is under the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Nai Udan schemes come. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, who developed food insecurity experience scale? So the second question is, Which program has been started by Kerala to bring tribal children back to school? So, guys, these are the two questions which you have to answer in the comment section. If you know, or you can also Google it and comment it down. Otherwise, in the next video, I am going to tell the answers. Till then, thank you for watching our video. And if you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos.